Last year was a very tough one for Bollywood actress Riya Chakrabarti. After the sudden demise of her boyfriend, talented Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput, Riya's world fell apart totally. While on one hand the actress got slammed and trolled by people, she got even blamed by media for Sushant's demise. Amidst all the mudslinging, Riya Chakrabarti got arrested by government body NCB. The actress stayed behind the bars for almost 30 days before getting her much-awaited bail. As the new year began, the actress decided to start fresh again. Riya Chakrabarti started making public appearances. She was even spotted during her house hunt. But soon after the beginning of the new year, a bad news came for the actress. The makers of her upcoming movie removed her from the recently released poster of Chehre. And now another sad news for the actress has come forward. Well, recently the officials of NCB have submitted the charge sheet of the drug case that cropped up during the investigation of Sushant's case. NCB has mentioned around 35 names in the charge sheet as per the reports of the Indian Express. And Riya Chakrabarti and her brother's name is also in the charge sheet. As per the recent reports from Pink Villa, it is mentioned in the charge sheet that Riya Chakrabarti procured drugs. Yes, NCB has mentioned in their 12,000 pages charge sheet that Riya procured drugs and supplied to the late actor. This comes under Section 27A of the NDPS Act and it leads to imprisonment of minimum 10 years and maximum 20 years. Does that mean that Riya Chakrabarti would end up behind the bars again? What do you think about this? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates from Bollywood.